I told you. Quit. Oh, there, dear. There's our car. Enveloped in snow.
Exactly at 8 inches right there.
Oh, man.
My God.
Nancy's car. Oh, yeah.
She came out here or something.
Oh, she started.
She started it?
No. This is what my husband has to shovel out. There he is. He's trying to measure how much snow we got.
It's only 4 inches on the car, but I just measured 8 inches. That's about 8.
Okay.
It's a lot of snow out here. It's the most snow I've seen in a long time.
Yeah. Wow. They plowed that across the wall earlier.
This parking lot this
And
morning.
now it's already snowed in again.
And they plowed this parking lot this morning. You can't even hardly tell.
I know. Whew. Well, I'm gonna venture. Watch. Okay. Huh?
I'm gonna knock some snow off, and I'm gonna start the car, let it run, and knock.
All right. Here. Wait, I gotta stop it.